Gynecomastia or male breast enlargement is a very common condition that is seen in young men. It is characterized by rubber-like firm swelling under the nipple with excess of fat and in some cases excess of skin mimicking a female breast. Social embarrassment is a common problem silently suffered by the majority of the patients. Inability to wear a t-shirt or snug clothes, outdoor activities or a swim. The lack of confidence is sometimes seen in the poster itself. Gynecomastia can lead to a severe lack of self-esteem and in some cases even depression too. The commonest cause of gynecomastia is adolescent gynecomastia, which is an alteration of a normal process due to hormonal changes that is commonly seen with puberty. Other causes are drugs and certain systemic illnesses like liver diseases, hormone disorders, obesity, steroids, and herbal supplement. Clinically, there are 7 stages of gynecomastia. Depending on the size and the treatment varies according to the stages. I have a completely different approach towards the treatment of gynecomastia. My point is, when someone comes to me, he is doing so because of his inability to remove his shirt in front of someone or in public. Now, after the treatment, he should be able to do that. So I will discuss all the available treatment modalities for gynecomastia and the advantages of it. Traditional surgery that's being done has a couple of disadvantages. This is done by putting an incision under the breast. Now, it leaves an ugly, smiley scar under both breasts. If a patient who has undergone this procedure would still hesitate to remove the shirt in front of someone else. Its other disadvantages include the fact that it is an invasive procedure, it's surgery, it's painful, requires a longer time to recover, and the excess loose skin is not addressed in large cases. So in advanced cases, it does very little in altering the shape of the chest, except for the fact that the gland is removed. Coming to the plastic surgeries, the reduction mammoplasty using the classical Weber technique has an advantage of being a very good treatment modality in early cases. However, there is still a small incision under the nipple, in the areola, and there is always going to be a scar. And second disadvantage is that large glands, the results are always suboptimal. Loose skin is not addressed. And if it is combined with some skin tightening procedures like the donut technique, the scar is going to be a little large circumareolar scar, which is of poor aesthetic quality. Now, traditional liposuctions basically have the advantage of no scarring because this is done from a site far away from the chest, from the breast, probably from the side of the chest, and the gland is never completely removed. You can't remove the breast gland with liposuction. You can remove fat, and that is one disadvantage with liposuction. And this is basically the videos that you have seen on YouTube, the thousands of videos that are there. Is the liposuction being done, but the gland remains there. The fat around it and some glandular tissue can be removed with liposuction. Excess skin in advanced cases cannot be removed and cannot be treated by this, and it always mimics gynecomastia again. Then this is where tri-lipo treatment comes into advantage. This is combining 3 treatment modalities: the laser lipo, microwave panel liposuction, and thermi-RF. And every patient is different. Some people have more glands, some people have more excess of fat along with the gland, and some have excess of skin. We address not just the gynecomastia. Our aim is to reshape your chest into a masculine one. We combine 3 cutting-edge technologies to give you that result. Vaser lipo is basically ultrasound-assisted lipo for precise contouring. Microwave PAL is it ensures the complete removal of the gland, and Thermi-RF tightens the skin to flatten your chest. The advantages of this treatment is it is scarless. There is absolutely no scar in your chest. Half a centimeter of scar hidden in your armpit that is hardly visible. The high definition and precise body contouring is the second advantage. This is not a surgery, this is a surgical procedure. I don't take a knife for the surgery, for this procedure, and it has a very fast recovery. Majority of my clients, they come in the morning and go back after the treatment the same day, and with very minimal pain, very or discomfort, and very minimal downtime.